Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Twinkle Quatra from IME Law College and currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company. And the topic that I am going to start today is non-disclosure agreement or NDA. So NDA is a non-disclosure agreement, or we can also say that a confidential agreement or a legal contract between two parties outlining the private information of the companies. And this NDA is accessible only to the parties that are signing the NDA, and it is restricted to any third party to assure that no one uses the personal information or sensitive information of the company. The company comes under NDA with the person with whom it transacts with, and in the NDA they have to share the informations like vendor information, intellectual property with their clients, employers, partners, etc. And the main purpose of the NDA is to ensure that the sensitive information of the company should not be leaked out. So basically there are two types of NDA. First is unilateral NDA and second is bilateral. In unilateral NDA, there is only one party who shares the information, and other party have to make sure that this information doesn't leak from their end. And in bilateral NDA, there are both the parties sharing the information or sharing the sensitive information of their company, and both the parties have to make sure that the information should not be leaked from their end. So basically this NDA is or it works good in joint ventures, and a company have to share the information that I have told you earlier as well. Now I will talk about that in India, why companies come under non-disclosure agreement, or what are the reasons that companies should come under NDA. So first one is that if company shares a new project with the prospective company, then it should come under NDA. And if they shares any new product or technology, then also they should come under NDA to protect their product and projects. Third is that if they share financial information or any marketing information with the buyer buying the product of the company, then also they should come under NDA. And last is that if they receive services from any company or individual, and that company or individual have some sensitive information in regard of that service, then also they should come under NDA. Now we will talk about what are the important clause that should be covered under NDA. So the first is the definition of confidential information. Second is the party clause. Third is the term of confidentiality. Now here the most important question arises, that what should be the term of confidentiality, or who will decide that term. So if it will be decided by the company or organization under which you are working, or with which you are working, they will decide. Mostly company decide the term of NDA should be 1 year or shorter, because the technology remain changes, right? And most of the company also choose 12 to 18 months for the NDA. Next should be, there should be a arbitration clause in the format of NDA, and there should also be a jurisdiction clause and mandatory and legal clause. And next should be the clause of return or destruction of confidential information exchange. And last is use of confidential information. So these were some clauses that should be mentioned under NDA. Now who will make NDA, or who will help you to make an NDA? So obviously an advocate will make an NDA, and in that case, when an NDA is formed, the advocate act as the safety net to both the parties, the recipient party and to the disclosing party, as the information here is really very sensitive, and this will help in decipher all the loopholes and also provide the answerability and transparency. So this was the video, and I have told you about the NDA, what is NDA, what are the types of NDA, and what are the reasons a company should enter in NDA, and lastly what are the clauses that should be mentioned in the format of NDA. And I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me down, and keep liking and keep sharing and subscribe to our channel, that is Lexis and Company. Thank you.